So welcome back to our channel. So today we come up with another pattern of the problem. So this is the question: 8 divided by parenthesis of 2 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 minus 4. So we can't simply go from left to right to solve this question, right? We have already discussed that, like 8 divided by 2 plus 2, 4, 2. So 8 divided by 4, 2 into 3 minus 1, 2. You cannot do like that, right? So for such questions, we need to know the Petma's rule, the rule of operation, right? So we know which is the priority preference, we know, right? Petma's. So from left to the right, we need to calculate. So parenthesis first, then exponents, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. So in our case, we have exponents, we have multiplication, we have addition, and the subtraction. Okay. So first, what we need to do is we need to evaluate the parenthesis since it is the as it is having the first priority. So 2 plus 2. So calculate this 4. 3 minus 1. This is also parenthesis. So 2. And write the other terms as such. Okay. 8 divided by 2 minus 4. Now we have cleared out the parenthesis. So the next priority is for division. So 8 divided by 4. So it will be 2. 2 into 2 minus 4. Okay. So after division, the next order of preference should come for multiplication. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4. So the last priority operation is subtraction. Right? So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So like this we need to solve such questions. Always remember the rule of operation. We need to apply from left to right. Okay. So that's all for this video. So if you like the content, please like the video, subscribe our channel, share it to your friends, and if possible, you can contribute to the UPA link provided in the description. Okay. I will come up with another question video in the next session. That's all. Thank you.